So the other day, this was in my email box of my pre-order is on its way from Funimation. I pre-ordered the Attack on Titan limited edition of the final season part 1 Blu-ray DVD combo pack, and I've never pre-ordered anything else in my life, so this is kind of a big deal. Really excited for this, big Attack on Titan fan. Looking to complete my set, I have owned all the previous limited edition versions. You can check out my channel for all the videos on that. But this one in particular, I noticed that it comes with 6 discs as opposed to 4 in previous versions. It still has that digipack with all that artwork, and it has a couple of limited edition items like enamel pins and art cards. It's set to be officially released on the 22nd, so hopefully I'll get mine in the mail by then, but you can also pre-order right now on Funimation's website. Currently I think it's the lowest price, or you can also try to go on Amazon. They have a price match guarantee for their pre-order, so if you want to check that out, I have the links all in the description. Definitely check out my channel for an unboxing video when I get it.